Kylie Jenner. Hey guys, what's up? So right now I'm gonna be doing a video on me trying on Kylie Jenner's outfits. Yeah, ready for my self-esteem to plummet. Just kidding. So I found a whole bunch of her outfits on Fashion Nova. This is not sponsored, okay? But I did order from Fashion Nova because they have a whole bunch of Kylie Jenner outfits on there. So I wanted to try them on because I was curious and I was like, I wonder what this would look like. Also, I love watching these videos, so I was like, okay, I really want to do this. Let's do it. So I have 4 outfits that I'm gonna be trying on. After you watch this video, definitely comment below letting me know which one you guys like the most because I am curious. Before I start, definitely subscribe. It'll be down below and turn on my post notifications to be notified when I upload a new video. It's just that little bell thing, so definitely click it. Definitely subscribe to my vlog channel. Hey, it's Sarai. I've been vlogging a lot on there and I vlogged me getting these nails done. Yeah, they're really extra. They're my birthday nails. They took 2 hours to do, so definitely follow me on my vlog channel because I'm uploading a lot on there. So also definitely follow me on Instagram. It's just at Krazyrayray. Just getting that plug in. So are you guys ready? Because I'm not. Yeah, I'm so ready. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so this is number 1. This one's called the Birthday Bash Sequin Romper in pink. This is actually what she wore at her 21st birthday. I'm pretty sure she wore one with like all diamonds, but this is like the cheaper version of it. To be honest, I feel like it is not flattering on me at all. You can see everything, like it is on there. I kind of feel like a monster in this, to be honest, compared to Kylie. But I must say, it does support your boobs like very well. Like if you have big boobs like me, like I'm not wearing a bra and this like holds them all together. Like we're good on that. On the thighs, I feel like I can't breathe. I think it's cute, just like not on me. It does show your curves, which is nice. The sequins is kind of itchy, really itchy. It's okay. I don't know. What do you guys think? I feel like this ain't it. I feel like I would like this more if it was a bodysuit dress. I just feel like this part is not flattering on me. I don't know. When you're taking videos in this dress, it looks so cool. Like the sequins are so shiny and stuff. So that is really cool. I'll actually insert a video of that because I just took it. So that's poppin'. Okay, on to the next. This one's called the Jacqueline off-shoulder dress in oatmeal, and I actually really like this one. I think it's cute. Also, I'm not wearing a bra with it. I probably should. I have pasties on, so if you see anything, that's what it is, okay? I don't have a strapless bra, so I would definitely wear a strapless bra with this, just so there's more support and it's not just my boobs. I feel like I would actually wear this. Also, the material is really cozy. This is in a size medium. It's really cozy and actually really warm. I feel like it's pretty thick for what it looks like. And I'm obsessed with like off-the-shoulder dresses and tops. I feel like it's so flattering and it just like shows like, I don't know, I love it. I feel like I like this. Fine, okay. Okay, next. This one's the next dress, and I feel like it's really short. I feel like my underwear is gonna show any second now. I love the neckline. I like how low it is. What kind of bra do these girls wear? Like, do they just not wear a bra? I feel like I can't move in this or something's gonna pop out. How do girls move in dresses like this? I don't understand. Maybe I need a bigger size. My nipple's literally gonna pop out. I think it's really cute. I just can't move in this. It's very silky. My spray tan is already on it. This is not a good outfit if you have a spray tan, just saying. Okay, I literally hate this. There's literally nothing wrong with the dress. The fabric feels amazing. It's really soft and it like hugs your body. This is like not me at all. It's so long too. Like, how do I show you? Guys, it's so long. How do I even stand up? Look how long this is. I like the turtleneck. I think it's just the length and the pattern that's throwing me off. It reminds me of like artwork. I really just want to get this off. Yeah, not feeling it. Cool, I guess. Okay, so that was all the outfits. Definitely comment below, let me know which one you guys like the most or which one you guys would buy. Also, let me know down below if you guys want me to do more of these videos. I can do like a casual Kylie Jenner try-on outfits. Let me know if you guys want to see that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Definitely give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!